Oligarchy does not always arrive in a throne or a military uniform. It arrives dressed as structure, safety, tradition. It names itself civilization, while quietly erasing the collective voice. It rewards obedience, punishes dissent, and hides its hunger for power behind rules that sound reasonable. It is not the chaos we fear. It is the control we normalize. When few hold the decisions of the many, the soul of a people begins to contract. What looks like order is often the containment of freedom, wrapped in efficiency, wrapped in pride. 1. It centralizes power and calls it leadership. 2. It silences protest and calls it peacekeeping. 3. It rewards conformity and calls it professionalism. 4. It excludes the poor and calls it meritocracy. 5. It controls media and calls it national interest. 6. It enforces obedience and calls it law. 7. It privatizes necessity and calls it innovation. 8. It fears collective intelligence and calls it disorganization. 9. It weaponizes tradition and calls it moral clarity. Oligarchy does not want to be seen. It survives by convincing the many that the few know best. But the system cannot sustain itself without your participation. The question is not, who holds power? The question is, where in your life have you mistaken control for care? What part of you still seeks safety in hierarchy? What new world could emerge if we trusted the field over the throne? Control is not peace. Order is not justice. Silence is not harmony. You are not hard to govern. You are hard to deceive.